Hello friends, in this video we will see the remaining types of asexual reproduction. Earlier we have seen two types, that is the fission and budding. Next we will see the third one, that is the fragmentation. This fragmentation is seen in filamentous algae Spirogyra. In the filamentous algae Spirogyra, let this filamentous algae Spirogyra have this type of structure. What happens once it gets broken down? Once it gets broken down into the pieces, this each piece formed have ability to form the new individual of Spirogyra. That new individual of Spirogyra, that is called a fragmentation. Please keep it in mind. The example of fragmentation is the Spirogyra, in which the fragment formed or the piece formed from the whole body keeps the ability to form the new individual. लक्षात येतं. Next type of asexual reproduction is the gemi formation. And this gemi formation is observed example in the Marchantia. Okay. What happens in this case? The receptacles. This what is gemi? Gemi is the green multicellular asexual bud. This is the green multicellular asexual bud produced in receptacle Xenicus. This is produced in receptacle Xenicus. Okay, this is observed in case of Marchantia. Okay. Next type of asexual reproduction after fragmentation, gemi formation is the regeneration. Fifth one is the regeneration. Regeneration means the formation of lost part or the formation of whole body from a piece. Okay, this regeneration is observed in case of planaria, from Platyhelminthes planaria. Okay, from phylum Platyhelminthes. This regeneration is again of two types. This regeneration is again of two types, that is morpholysis and epimorphosis. In this morpholysis, the whole body gets regenerated. The whole body gets regenerated means when whole body regenerates from the piece of an organism, from the fragment of an organism, from the piece of an organism, when whole body gets regenerated, then it is called morpholysis regeneration. And when only lost part regenerates, only lost part regenerates, then it is called epimorphosis type of regeneration. Okay, these are the very simple terms, very simple type of asexual reproduction. And the next type is the spore formation. Spore formation. What is spore? Very first we have to understand what is spore. Spore is the reproduction unit. Spore is the propagule. What is propagule? Propagule is the reproduction unit which is used for the propagation purpose. What is propagation? Propagation means transmission. Okay, propagation means नवीन पिढी तयार करणं किंवा नवीन पिढीकडे ट्रान्सफर करणं, त्याला आपण प्रोपागेशन म्हणत असतो. आणि या स्पोरच्या मदतीने प्रोपागेशन होतं, म्हणून स्पोरला आपण प्रोपॅग्यूल म्हणतो. जे प्रोपॅग्यूल युनिसेल्युलर असतं, म्हणजे स्पोर हे युनिसेल्युलर असतात. अँड दिस स्पोर्स आर डिफरंट टाइप्स. हे जे स्पोर्स आहेत ते वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारचे आहेत. आपण एक प्रकार पाहू यांचा. फर्स्ट वी विल सी the first type of spore is the zoospore. First type is the zoospore. These zoospores are motile spores. Motile असतात याचा अर्थ ते हालचाल करू शकतात. As they are motile, they might be flagellated. म्हणजे मोटिलिटी साठी त्यांच्याकडे काहीतरी असलं पाहिजे. दोन फ्लॅजेला असतात म्हणून बायफ्लॅजेलेटेड. जर अशा पद्धतीने हे स्पोर दाखवलं आपण युनिसेल्युलर स्पोर, तर मोटिलिटी करण्यासाठी याच्याकडे अशा पद्धतीने हे फ्लॅजेल असतात. दीज आर दी बायफ्लॅजेलेटेड स्पोर्स. ओके, लक्षात येतं. नेक्स्ट, these zoospores are produced in zoosporangium. What is zoosporangium? This zoosporangium is the fruiting body. This is the fruiting body in which zoospores are produced. Actually, these spores are produced in what? One spore is produced in a sporangium. What is sporangium? Sporangium is the fruiting body. If it is zoospore, then zoosporangium. Okay. In this way, these are produced in the zoosporangium. For example, these zoospores plays important role in the asexual type of reproduction. In which organisms? For example, they play important role in the asexual type of reproduction in the lower fungi. In case of lower fungi, Phycomycetes, that is albigo and Phytophthora. Examples are albigo, Phytophthora. Okay, then simple plants. Simple plants means lower plants like algae, that we call thallophytes. Algae. Zoospores. Next spore we will see after the zoospore is the conidia. Conidia also plays important role in the asexual type of reproduction. Second type is the conidia. Okay, and these conidias are produced in penicillium. Okay, penicillium. How these conidias looks like? This is the penicillium. And over this penicillium, these conidias are produced, which are non-motile unicellular structures. These are non-motile structures and they are produced in chain. They are produced in chain in this type. And they are non-motile. Chain मध्ये तयार होतात आणि non-motile असतात, produced in chain. And as they are non-motile, म्हणजे ते हालचाल करू शकत नाही, they can be dispersed from one place to another place with the help of wind. wind, वारा. लक्षात येतं, कळतं. These are the conidias. Next type of spore is the sporangiospore. Sporangiospore. These sporangiospores they are again non-motile. These sporangiospores are again non-motile type of spores and they are produced. These sporangiospores are produced inside the sporangium, within the sporangium. Inside the sporangium, hence also called, that's why they are also called endospores. These conidiospores, these conidia are produced outside the fruiting body, outside the sporangium structure, but they are produced inside the sporangium, and that's why they are called endospores. These sporangiospores also play important role in the asexual type of reproduction. It also acts as a propagule. In this video, we have seen the 4 different types of asexual reproduction methods, that is the fragmentation, then regeneration, zeni and spore formation. Spores are again of different types. Then there is the zoospores, conidia, and the sporangiospores. In the next video, we will see the asexual reproduction in plants. Thank you.